This is what's wild in New Hampshire by wildlife biology terraform. Hey, we're down with some help trying to find the queen, trying to split my very strong bee colony here. A lot of bees, a lot of young ones there. Who do we have here?
I'm Owen.
Owen?
I'm Jim.
And Jim?
I'm Krishna.
All right. Got some good help here today.
These guys are from the Dairyfield School.
Yeah.
They're doing their ISP on bees, beekeeping. We thought we would come out and see if we can't help find the queen and do a split.
So far, she's evaded us.
It's hard to find.
A sea of bees. And you're looking for a drop of a queen. But she is marked, but we just haven't spotted her yet. Well, I think. Got her last spring.
I will say this is a very
queen.
mild-mannered hive. Like, they are so nice to work with. I don't see her. Do you guys see her?
No.
I don't see her.
I don't see her yet. She's hiding somewhere. Oh, come on, baby. Where are you?
Promising. Lots of drones. You can see this queen cell right there.
It's like an old bee right there.
That's
Is that it?
That's a drone. Looks like it though, doesn't it?
Yeah.
You can tell because the eyes are so big.
Yeah. Shit.
Close.
All right. Our queen has eluded us. One more look. Come on, sweetheart, where are you?
Yeah. Lots of drones.
Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them.
Yeah.
I guess. Plan B.
Yeah.
BEE.
We'll go through it one more time.
Yep.
Yeah. They're easy to just kind of, they're used to knocking each other out of the way.
Yeah.
So if you take your finger and just kind of push them, they'll get out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Put that. Let's see what
We've moved some frames over to this box, medium. The deep here, well, the brood box. Queen's out to lunch somewhere. One of the other frames, I guess.
She's on vacation. Oh, this looks promising. Sometimes she can be kind of under a big mass.
Mm-hmm.
See how they're trying to keep that brood warm, right? They're all.
Keeping the brood warm. All winter long.
Yeah.
They do. What, 90 something degrees?
Yeah, 90. Yeah, like 90, 98. I think, right around the body temp.
That'd be worth checking these ones again.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. All right, so we'll put this bottom back together, and we'll go through the top.
We'll keep at it, and hoping to find the queen. We've got a few more frames to look at again. It's a busy place here today, and appreciate the help from the students and teacher.
Yeah, I teach math at the Dairyfield School.
Nice. What do you teach?
Let's see. I teach basically all levels of high school math.
Okay.
We were in his AT investment class this year.
Yeah. We tried to learn how to not lose money.
Yep. Tried.
No promises.
Come on, Mama, where are you?
Oh, look at this. This place is just close.
All right. Haven't spotted her yet. We'll keep looking, but I do appreciate the help. And hey, bees are wild in New Hampshire today. Honeybees. Yeah, my honeybees are wild today. We're still looking for Mama Bee here. She's there somewhere. We got to find her. We'll keep looking.
One thing that's interesting, you see the larva in there, there's a lot of kind of milk. That's like protein. This means it's a really healthy hive.
Sweet.
That's a good thing.
I harvested my first honey last summer, about 50 or 60 pounds.
Cool.
All right, bees. We'll get back to you.
Take